Making a coffee cake is a delightful and simple way to enjoy a sweet treat that's perfect for breakfast or dessert. Here's a basic recipe for a traditional coffee cake. Ingredients for the cake: to add a half cup all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 cup unsalted butter, 1 cup granulated sugar to large it, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup sour cream or buttermilk for the Streusel topping, 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup packed brown sugar, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 cup unsalted butter, melted, 1/2 cup chopped nuts optional, walnuts or pecans work well. Instructions: 1. Preheat the oven and prepare the pan. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a 9-inch round cake pan or use a 9 by 9-inch square pan, if you prefer. 2. Prepare the Streusel topping. In a medium bowl, combine 1/2 cup of flour, brown sugar, cinnamon, and melted butter. Stir in the chopped nuts if you're using them. Mix until crumbly. Set aside. 3. Make the cake batter. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. In a separate bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until light and fluffy, about 10 minutes. Add the eggs, one at a time, beating well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. Alternate adding the dry ingredients and sour cream or buttermilk to the butter mixture, starting and ending with the dry ingredients. Mix until just combined. 4. Assemble the cake. Pour half of the cake batter into the prepared cake pan and spread it out evenly. Sprinkle half of the Streusel topping over the batter. Add the remaining cake batter and spread it evenly over the top. Finally, sprinkle the rest of the Streusel topping on top of the cake batter. 5. Bake the coffee cake. Bake for 35 to 40 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. If the top is browning too quickly, you can loosely cover the cake with aluminum foil and continue baking. Dip, cool, and serve. Let the coffee cake cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. Then transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. Serve as is or with a dusting of powdered sugar for an extra touch. Enjoy your homemade coffee cake. It's perfect with a cup of coffee or tea.